Hello everyone, my name is Subhankar Mehto. Today we will discuss the proof of this result, and what this result says that if X is an inner product space and E is any non-empty subset of X, then this E is contained inside this E per per. Now what this mean E per per? So before that we will discuss how this E per define. So these are also called as orthogonal complement of E, and these are the collection of all X belongs to X such that if we take the inner product of this X with any Y where this Y is in E, it will give us 0, and this is true for all Y belongs to E. Okay, so in similar fashion this E per per is defined, and this is also denoted as E per per. Okay, now how this defined? These are the collection of all X belongs to X such that if we take the inner product of this X with any Y where Y is in this case in E per, okay, will give us 0, and this is true for all Y. So this E per is also known as orthogonal complement of E, and this is called as orthogonal complement of E per. So these are the definition of these two terms. Okay, now what we have to show? We have to show that this E is contained inside this E per per. So E is a subset, E per per is a subset. So to show that a set is contained inside another set, what we have to show, or what is the first step we have to take? So the first step we have to take is let X be an arbitrary element of E. So now to show that X E is a subset of E per per, it is enough to show this X is actually inside this E per per. If we show this, then our work will done, or we say that our job will be done. Now what it mean X belongs to E per per? See the definition. If X is inside this E per per, then inner product of this X with any element of E per will give us 0. Now to show that this X is in E per per, we have to show that the inner product of this X with any Y, that Y is inside E per, will give us 0. That we have to show now. So for that what we will do? We will take an element from E per. So Y be an arbitrary element of E per. Now if that is our Y is inside this E per, now what it mean? Y belongs to E per, that is inner product of this Y with any Z where Z is inside this E will give 0, and this is true for all Z belongs to E. So this is true for all Z belongs to E. So this is true for X also now, because X is where? X is in E now. See, we take this X from E. So X is an element of E. Then this statement, this will true for X also, because X is inside E, as X is inside E. Okay, so we take an arbitrary element of E per, and what we find that inner product of this Y is 0 with X. Okay, and that we want to show. It means that this X is inside E per per, and this is true for all X belongs to E. That is, if X belongs to E, it's imply X belongs to E per per for all X belongs to E. Hence E is contained inside this E per per. So this is a proof of this result. So we will meet at the next video, and for now, thanks for watching my videos. And if you like these videos, then please support the channel and subscribe the channel. Bye.